Once upon a time, in the cold, snowy land of Scandinavia, lived a family of lemmings named the Lapp family. The father, Lapp, the mother, Lilly, and their three little lemmings, Lilly, and Lulu. One sunny morning, Lee, the oldest of the three, noticed a strange thing. A map fell from the sky, and it had a path leading to a mysterious mountain. Curiosity got the better of them, and they decided to follow the path. They journeyed through the snowy forests, across the icy rivers, and over the snow-covered mountains. They met many friends along the way, like the chatty chirping birds and the friendly foxes. As they reached the mountain, they found a hidden door. With a deep breath, Lee pushed the door open, and they stepped inside. To their surprise, they found a beautiful, warm, and cozy room filled with colorful toys and delicious treats. They spent the day playing and eating, and when the sun began to set, they realized they needed to return home. They said their goodbyes and thanked the magical mountain for the wonderful day. On their way back, they shared their stories with their new friends, promising to visit again. When they finally returned home, they found that their home was even more cozy and warm than before. They hugged each other tightly, grateful for their adventure and the memories they created. From that day on, the Lapp family would often venture out to explore the world, always remembering that the most important thing was to be together, to make new friends, and to always cherish the memories they made. The end.